Hello, everyone. Welcome back to your favorite troubleshooting channel, Fix Netflix YouTube channel. Today we will show you a thin vertical line and bar in the test or OSD menu on Samsung TV display. If you stay with us all the way to the end of this video and try each of these methods, and there is very high probability that this problem will be solved for you. Before we start, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, Fix Netflix, for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. If you face any problems during this session, then don't hesitate to inform me on comment section. I will be happy to help you and answer your all queries as soon as possible. So, let's start it. Here is the solution. Step 1. If the lines appear in the picture test, the cause is a bad panel. Need to replace the panel. Step 2. If the lines do not appear, disconnect all signal sources and check again, and reconnect carefully. Step 3. If the lines are still in the picture test, checking the LVDS cable contacts or change the main board. Step 4. If the lines are gone, then a signal source is causing the problem. Check the cables and replace if required. Some other possible causes of vertical lines on a TV. Reason 1. Loose cable connections. Loose cable connections, such as the HDMI or video cable, can cause vertical lines to appear on the screen. Check the connections to make sure they are securely fastened. Reason 2. Overheating. Overheating can cause vertical lines to appear on the screen. Make sure that your TV is placed in a well-ventilated area and that there is enough space around it to allow air to circulate. Reason 3. Defective LCD panel. If the vertical lines persist even after checking the cable connections, it could be a sign of a defective LCD panel. This is a common issue that can only be fixed by a professional repair service. Reason 4. Software issues. Software issues can also cause vertical lines to appear on the screen. Try updating the firmware of your TV or resetting it to its default settings to see if this resolves the issue. So, that's the whole story, my friends. We've covered the steps to fix vertical line issues. If you face any problems or still have same experience, please leave a comments here. I will be happy to help you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Fix Netflix for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching this video, and we will see you in the next video.